Do you ever wake up with a stiff, aching back, wondering how you'll get through your day? Back pain is a common issue that can disrupt work, hinder sleep, and limit physical activities. But don't worry, you're not alone, and there are natural remedies that can help. Start by understanding that back pain doesn't always mean medication or surgery. There exists a myriad of natural remedies that can help you manage and even alleviate this discomfort. First, let's talk about physical exercises. Regular movement can help ease inflammation and muscle tension. Simple activities like walking or swimming can strengthen your back muscles and boost your flexibility. Next up is yoga, a practice that combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. Yoga can help improve posture and increase flexibility, both of which can aid in reducing back pain. Massage therapy is another natural remedy worth considering. It can help relax tight muscles and trigger an endorphin release, your body's natural painkillers. Heat therapy, such as a hot bath or a heating pad, can also be effective. The warmth helps to increase the blood flow, which in turn reduces muscle stiffness and promotes healing. Finally, maintaining a healthy diet plays a crucial role in managing back pain. Consuming anti-inflammatory foods like leafy greens, nuts, and berries can help reduce inflammation that contributes to back pain. Remember, these remedies are not one-size-fits-all solutions, but they can offer relief and improve your quality of life. To sum up, back pain can be debilitating, but there are natural ways to alleviate it. We've talked about a few key approaches: regular exercise, maintaining good posture, and using heat or cold therapies. Don't forget, consistency is key when using these remedies. But remember, if your back pain persists, it's crucial to consult a health professional. Don't let pain hold you back. Try these natural remedies and take the first step towards a pain-free life. Your back will thank you.